Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Indian rupee continues to show a lot of resilience, and this has been the hallmark of this currency for a long time. In spite of oil prices around $120 a barrel, dollar rupee is well below its highs of 77, which it made in April 2020. It made a brief attempt to cross it over the month of March, but it failed. So during the March end or the financial year end, we tend to see a lot of selling from the corporates, be it exporters or be it corporates repatriating their dollars back home. जिससे कारण, especially during the last week of March, rupee tends to appreciate. But oil prices का high होने की वजह से there's going to be a demand for dollars from the oil marketing companies. And that's the reason why we still think the dollar rupee may slip into a range. And this range may continue. This for the past almost 3 weeks, it has been oscillating between 75 and 77 levels. Now that range has narrowed even further. 76.5 is now the upper cap, and 75, 95 is the support level. So assuming this range will hold, you can look to short a strangle, 75 put and 76.5 call for options expiring next week, that is March 31st. Intraday trading ke liye strangles don't erode much unless it's very close to expiry. Therefore, if you're looking to do an intraday trade through short options, then it's advisable to do straddles. Usme, on a quiet day, you can even get a 3-4 paisa kind of a erosion on the straddle, which is especially if you are targeting the ones which are expiring on March 29th, that is the monthly option. So you can look to do, if for intraday once again, you can focus on straddles, but keep in mind this short straddles are based on a big assumption, that is dollar rupee will respect this range of March, that is 75, 95 and 75 ka jo support band is just going to hold out, so it's going to be bought there, and 76 half on the upside will be capped. And if you are looking to do futures trade, then closer to 76, if you see a bounce, then you can use futures to go long, because your stop loss will be small. Otherwise, in between buying futures or selling futures doesn't make sense, because your stops will be larger and the range is smaller. So it's better to stick to selling options like straddles or strangles if you're doing a positional trade, or if the prices are in between, let's say around 76, 30, 35 levels, where it's just in between the range. There, doing straddles and strangles is a better idea. Now coming to the crosses, कल जो PMI data था Europe से, both for UK as well as for Eurozone, both indicated two things. One, the manufacturing side of the economy is definitely feeling the effect of this Ukraine war and high energy prices. So demand is expected to slow down, and that's going to be bad news for the central banks who are talking about rate hikes in Europe. That's the reason why both EUR/INR and GBP/INR had come off yesterday after the PMI data. So आज भी we may see some bit of pressure in both GBP/INR and EUR/INR, but yen/INR continues to be a favorite currency for short trades. So on the crosses, if you have to pick one currency to trade, it will be JPY/INR, because yen is under pressure from high energy prices, monetary policy divergence, and weak Japanese economy. So इसके लिए yen/INR is a good currency pair to focus your short trades on. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.